Hey, hey, hey. I tried to say hey, and then it was like, and then that didn't work. So, hey, there's a more forceful hey. Hello, it's Rufio. How silly. Surprise Wednesday stream. I was doing nothing today, and I was like, damn, I'm not going to be able to make the stream tomorrow because I am going to go skiing during the nighttime with my sister. And I was like, damn, but I should like do another stream maybe just in case or something. I don't know. So here we are. I'm feeling like I really want to get this sassy shit done. Getting sassy with it again, and hopefully like we'll get that shit working. I don't feel like it should be that hard, but I haven't really gotten anything done. That's interesting. Okay. That being said, let's do some coding. Oh yeah. Hello, your favorite screen. Okay, so put everything up in here, partial the fuck out of this. Yep. That's apparently all they have in common. Now I need to... So, now that I've done this, these are supposed to, if I run SASS, they're supposed to compile into the CSS, I believe. I guess we'll see. Let's see. Yes, well, that's nice. What now? Oh, it's probably this. It's probably this mappy shit. Yes? Whoa, interesting. Interesting. Oh. Does anyone know the difference between the CSS and the map? Do I keep the map? Do I keep the map? Do I keep the map? SASS. Okay, Jesus, my neck. I don't know about this mappy stuff. Mappy stuff. So we did this, right? We did that. It was cool. We liked it. But what about if we're like, we're perfect, we're done, let's move on. Do I keep it? Do I keep the maps? Probably not, I'm thinking. Why wouldn't this tell me? just hem and ha. So apparently it was the map. But I'm not talking about JavaScript up in here. Are they? It looks like JavaScript all up in here. That's not what I wanted. SASS maps. New data type called map. Associative arrays. Hashes. It is not always clear why we need maps in CSS. Hence this article. Thank you. A SASS map uses parentheses as external delimiters. Anyone know what that means? Can you explain? External delimiters. Colons to map keys and values. What is this saying to me? So that appears to capture it, right? And then get key value pairs. So this is a map, but also a variable. Hey Finite, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm going skiing tomorrow. Oh shit. I'll wait. Fuck. Okay. Breakpoint. What is this saying to us? Determining the width, I guess. I should probably open another page to see when y'all get ads. I really wish it would tell me. We'll go to it. Oh, I'm getting some. Hey Alvy, thanks for the follow. Let me open the creator dashboard. It should tell me about the ads a little bit more. Oh, I gotta mute myself because that's a pain to listen to. Well, it tells me I have another 30 minutes. Tracy, hi, Henderson. Yes, that was definitely my intention. I definitely knew there were going to be ads. Definitely. 100%. I wish it would tell me. We're doing a Wednesday stream because I'm skiing tomorrow evening, so I can't really stream while I'm skiing. So here we are. I thought I'd get another stream in anyway since I was gonna miss tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully it's good. It probably won't be, but wouldn't that be something? Having me have like a selfie stick and me streaming while skiing. That would be interesting. I can't say words. How do you get good enough signal to stream on skis? But nah. I was gonna start streaming a lot earlier than October 2021, but I didn't have good enough internet to do it. Local ski hill has good coverage, alright. I don't know if mine does. And I'd have to use like a, how would you even do that? I wouldn't be able to talk to y'all, would I? Anyway, it probably will be good. Giant satellite dish, yes. Selfie stick in one hand, satellite dish in another. Oh yeah, you know what? Yes. How about sledding? We can sled together. It's been really warm here though. So I don't know how skiing is going to go. But it is night skiing, so I don't know. Let's see it. Oh, it opened up in the wrong one. Alright, fine. Let's look at it. Hold up. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. I gotta pause the music. Pause. Okay, wait a second. We're going back. We're turning it up. You have a selfie. You did. Wow. Oh, right, because you made the thing to check your speed, right? I think I remember that. What are you using, though? Like a GoPro? That's so cool. That's so cool that you did that. Bruh. How did you know that the ski hill had good enough internet, though? What is a Raspberry Pi? It's a computer of sorts, I've heard. I don't know anything about it beyond that. You just tried it? I do have a GoPro. I don't have a GoPro stick, though. So. Okay. Do you carry it with you, or is it just, it connects to the hotspot connects to it? Normally you had it on a chest mount. That particular clip was using a clamp on your ski pole. Oh. Oh wait, so you're not using a selfie stick, you're just using a pole? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So, y'all know SASS at all? Cause like, if I want to be done with SASS, do I keep these maps? Do we know what these are? I can't figure it out. Do we keep them, or do we just get rid of them? I think we get rid of the SASS, this thing. Also, hey DC! Haven't seen you in a while. Finite Singularity is a little bit sassy. I think it's funny. It's funny how they named it, and it's funny that you can use sassy. So the maps are what let things like Chrome dev tools map the resulting CSS to your SASS files. Huh. I wouldn't push them, would I? How do they help with debugging? Like... Huh. I don't use Chrome. I use Firefox. Does Firefox have those tools? Well, I suppose I won't delete them for now. But like in theory, shouldn't this be... Wait, I didn't... Wait a second. We don't need to let... Okay, we can stop now. Hold up. Y'all, I had a ring on earlier today. I just barely realized I do not have it on anymore. So shouldn't it have applied the styles? Wait, no. Probably not, actually. Let's say at line 224 in your .scss file, you have some rule. If you inspect in Chrome or Firefox, the map files will tell you the original line in the SCSS file. Huh, okay. So I shouldn't delete the SASS files until I'm completely done developing, right? But I shouldn't push them either. And I probably shouldn't push the map files. Never delete them, really? I thought you did when you were done developing. Alright. Alright, I won't delete them. They live here forever. But you don't push them, right? So, in theory, like, let's say the contact page. Except the contact page .css. No, they're all the style.css, right? Because if you ever need to update something, you want to use them to regenerate CSS files. Ah, right on. So you do push them? Or nah? Style. I think, yep. Hello? Oh, here it is. Okay. Push it to GitHub. You would push them to GitHub. Okay, yeah. That's what I mean. Like, just... Whoa, she did not spell style correctly. Surprise. Well, I'm learning so much. I still need to write this page, y'all. I still haven't put the content in this page. But look, it's already right. It's already ahead of the game or whatever. I think we did this one, didn't we? Nah, we did not. I keep doing this. How come I can't press a Y button? Love that for me. Alright, homepage just got it. I don't know. Did you see what I just wrote as well? I can't even still yeah, equal sign. What? Y-L-E. Okay. What if I just copy this? Yeah. I'm almost at the end, but typing A is hard. I don't know why. Look, I should have just done that the whole time. How silly am I? So in theory, now that all this is all up in here, this should work. And yet, you only know 25 letters of the alphabet. You don't know why. Me neither. Why might that be? That's a funny joke. I like it. Why isn't this working? So it doesn't appear as if they are, which is weird, isn't it? Shouldn't they? Shouldn't they? Bruh. Hello? You know you want to put some styles on you. Maybe we'll do the what's it called? The network. So it's caching it? Maybe that's why? Nah. Wait. No, it's getting it. What's up with that? It's a funny story. The other night, you went to dinner with a couple you were friends with. They got into a big argument. You don't normally take sides, but they were so distracted yelling at each other that you stole her fries and his coleslaw. Just sitting by them. Do people dip fries in coleslaw? Let's pretend you do. You dip the fries in the coleslaw. Just waiting for them to notice. Do you dip fries in coleslaw? You took sides. Ah. Ah, no, I get it. Oh my goodness, that went beyond me. Yes, I get it now. So many jokes. Because that's how I roll. Alright, so what is like the categorization of dad jokes? Are these dad jokes? Regardless, they're great. I love them. Oh my goodness, my eye. Ow. That's how I roll. Lol, are you coming up with these? Or did you like, do you know these already? You might rub those flies across some slob and say dib. A joke is a dad joke when the punchline becomes apparent. Practice with us, Unma. Did I say your name right? Tell me if I said it wrong. Is it Unma or Unma? Let me know. I would like to say it right. Your name is written so cool. And keep all your dad jokes in your dad. Lol, I love it. Alright, so it's getting it, but it's not applying it because it's being a little bitch. That's what I'm going to say about it. My brother's making cake. Smells like cake. So, what the hell? Wait a second. Wait, no, never mind. No, the path seems to be correct. Imported all those partials and shit. Right, well, let's work this out. We're gonna do that eventually, Enma. We're just doing it one step at a time. So I'm hoping to do that within the next few months. But I'm also trying to do the back end in Node. And we were doing that till recently, and then I got really frustrated, and we haven't touched it since. But we'll be doing that too. Node SASS. Node SASS. Ejection. I relate. Tip of the day: before you criticize someone, you should always walk a mile in their shoes, because then when you criticize them, you're a mile away and you have their shoes. That is not where I thought that was going. I like it. Yes, bring the dad jokes. They live here now. Oh my god, y'all, look. You see this? You see this? You see this Pomodoro timer that I did not start, and I have been going for 25 minutes? We're doing a 5-minute break, okay? I'm gonna do it based on the time I see that I've been live. Jeez. Jeez! I helped my roommate move the other day. Ooh. And I have not worked out in like 2 years, basically. Yeah, Anma. They are all, I feel like, connected properly, and it's serving it, but it's not actually applying the styles. But we were lifting couches, and now my biceps are sore, and it was 2 days ago. It's what happens when you never work out, right? Love it. Love it. It's okay. It's a good thing. It's okay. Okay. My friend had texted me. Cool. Cool. No doubt. What are y'all doing with your Wednesdays? Or Thursdays, depending on what time it is. Oh, we should look away from the screen for 30 seconds. Starting now. Stop looking at the screen. Give your eyes a little baby break. I'm just noticing the wood patterning on this door thingy. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't want to look back yet. Looks back. I think that was yes. Can you see it? Can you see this? It's got some nice patterning. You're frantically cleaning your office for your studio tour stream tomorrow. You don't know if you're gonna get all cleaned up in time. How dirty is it? Are you just like gonna take your webcam around and be like, look, this is where I don't want to say that. This is where I stream. It's a nice wood pattern. If it was like, how do you say that? Finish, it would look really great. A messy desk. My desk is really messy. Yeah, it is, yep. But it always is, so. And a messy office. It's fine. People were moving out. That's definitely the reason. Ooh. Pretty much, and then show your wacky OBS setup. Ooh, nice. I think eventually I'm gonna get fancier. I'm gonna get like a fancy overlay. Maybe get like a green screen. Because this is not the most exciting background, to be honest. To be completely honest. Oh, I should check when the next, what's it called? The next... Y'all, let's run an ad break right now before y'all get ads when I'm talking, okay? I'm gonna do that. Okay, well. We got a minute of an ad, so that's good. And then ads are disabled. Jesus, why am I so yawny? I'm gonna respond to you, Enma, but I have to wait till the ad is over. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It's interesting because I can see myself streaming because I'm looking at the dashboard or whatever, and like everything is delayed. It's kind of fun because then I can see what my like face looks like or whatever. I don't know. Does that make me a narcissist? Who knows? Your ad is about to start. Bruh, did we not just do an ad? Are y'all getting another ad? Did y'all get that ad? Why would it just barely start? We just did an ad. Just did an ad. I'm offended. Can y'all, are y'all in an ad right now? But we did already. But did it get another one? Ah. Okay. Alright. Well then it's just pranking me or something. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now it says we have like a half an hour, which we all know is a lie. It always like runs the ads at like 10 minutes or whatever. So it's a liar. Good for it. Good for it. So having the munchies and getting food at 2 a.m. That's what the ad was? What was it advertising? Some snack? Okay, now we're gonna start this. Did it do a good job? Do you actually know what the snack is? So, Enma, it is compiling. Like, here is the SASS, and here is the compiling stuff. Wait a second. I clicked the wrong... Wait, what? Wait a second. One? Yeah, see, look, here it is. And yet it still isn't applying. And that just doesn't make very much sense to me. Unless I'm supposed to have wordpage.css connect or whatever, something. I don't know. Ow. Okay. It's too hot for this jacket. It's gonna get cold in a second, though. It's great. Love this middle ground for us. Also, what was happening here? This said what? Excuse me. Rap, baby. I think this was Mickey writing stuff. Can you hear my computer? Oh no, oh. My computer's going right now. Yes. Yes, that's what's happening, definitely. But my feet are really cold. I have them like tucked under my like legs because they're so cold. Yeah, this was Mickey, but wait, no, yeah, okay. The style.css. Hold up. Wait a second, y'all. Please let me move this. So this is the CSS. Wasn't it supposed to like... Is it... It is, but this transferred over. Is this supposed to transfer over? Y'all know? Or is it because I'm watching it? We could stop the live compilation. Maybe we stop it? But this shouldn't be here, right? Look, it's giving us all this wacky shit. That's probably why this isn't working. So, my next question is... Oops. We got our style. We got a bunch of partials, right? And then when it compiles it, what are these supposed to be doing? Or do I import like input.css or something? Thank you. My brother's giving me cake. It's a bit dry. My cache problem? I just cleared the cache a little earlier. Sorry, wait. Let me finish the dry cake. I don't know what flavor it is. I think it's this. I think this is what's breaking it, because this did not change from SASS to CSS. So what if we do like, can you import stuff? Nah, I don't think you can. Wow, that cake was very, very dry. Nice. This is how we all look when we're coding. I love coding. You know, wait. A beard will suddenly sprout when we code. TurboTax. Oh, there's another. It lied to me. So confused. Ads make no sense. What the fuck? Which one is it? Me, the picture of the dude with the beard? TurboTax. Okay, so this is the problem. I'm pretty sure this is the problem. How is this supposed to look in CSS? How do partials look in CSS? The internet didn't answer me. It was very rude. Ooh, excuse me. I forgot y'all are in an ad. Let me know when it's over. I always say that, but like, how are people supposed to know when it's over? Or like, know that I said that if they're in an ad? I don't know. It's over? How did you know I said it's over? Or did you just say it's over when it was over? Oh, alright. Excellent. I'm kind of pissed that I did that, because we deliberately did ads so we would avoid that. So let's do this to ads. That's what I have to say. Not towards you guys. I love all of you. How are partials supposed to look in CSS? That is today's question. Another question. Why did we use CS or SASS? All right. Well, apparently I needed to write SASS because partials are something else. This one, maybe. Oh, I really thought that the whole page was just this. And I was gonna be like, wow. Okay. I did. I can do it again. That was my little cache clearer thingy. Maybe it says it loads mixins. Maybe it's because I did partials, not mixins. SASS files that are only meant to be loaded as modules, not compiled on their own. What? What? So it's not compiling them, but it should be importing them and compiling them in the style.css, right? There's just something about staring into a bright light that makes me yawn. I don't know what that is. Science. So, should our partials be mixins? Or maybe we just need to use import. SASS extends CSS's import rule. Ugh, I have a cold foot. Okay. But see this? That's why we didn't use it. Confusion. Ooh, that would be a good emote. Confusion. What? I think it just probably should be a no. No, I don't think so. So confusing. Partials. I'm searching the SASS docs. For SASS. SASS for SASS. The underscore lets SASS know that a file is only a partial file and that it should not be generated into a CSS file. So why shouldn't partials like generate into wherever they're like used. Why is this so confusing? It's not supposed to be that hard. Maybe we'll watch this guy. I've seen him before. I'm gonna pause our music. Paused. Let me know if y'all can't hear that.
People are always asking me about how to better organize their CSS, and I won't lie, it's not easy. It's also one of the reasons that I love SASS, because using partials makes my life so much easier.
But not
so
mine.
Let's go and take a look at them. So to take a look at why I love partials so much, here is my personal site that I'm currently in the middle of reworking. I've been doing it live over on Twitch lately, and I have been using SASS to do it. And you can see here, I have a SASS folder, and inside my SASS folder, I have a whole bunch of subfolders here. I'm going to talk more about how I organize these, why I name them the way I do, and other methods that you can use for it. And I think the best practices in getting organized with them after. But let's say I wanted to style my buttons. What I'm going to do is here in VS Code.
Hold up. Did I do this part right? Maybe the path is wrong. Nah? Nope. It's fine. Alright, let's go back to the video, I guess.
Would push Command P or Control P, and then I'm gonna write buttons. And you can see right at the top, I have my buttons right there. And you can see all of my styles here that are relating to my buttons coming in right there, and different things that I'm using them for here. There was some experimentation and different stuff, but this is all my button related styles. Or if I know it's something that's on my home page, push Command P, write in home.
There
we go. Here's all my styles that are related to the home page. Or I need to make a change to my typography, Command P, typography, and I have all my typography related things all here. Now I know there's other ways of doing this, and you can do a Control F to find if you have one big file and you want to circle through it, or there's ways of even doing searches that are going through multiple files. And if you know exactly what you're looking for, that can be fine. But especially for things like this, where like if I'm looking for my buttons, I get it, like, you know, Control P button, I could use a find for that because I could just look for my .btn or my .button class like that. But let's say my typography where I have all of my heading stuff together. I might want to be working on several things in there. I don't want to just find
coffee seems required.
You know, I'm even breaking up my body styles into several different declarations depending on what it's doing. Is it more layout related or is it more typography related? So that way when I do my Control P and type in typography, typography.
He and I did not.
I know that it's going to my typography stuff, and everything in here is related only to typography and not to other things that, you know, I don't care about when I'm looking here. So then I can update multiple things with my typography or whatever I need to do. Same with colors, same with other things like that. So I push Command P, colors, and here's all my colors set up like this. If you're curious about what this is, these are SASS maps, which you can do some really incredible things. I will have some content coming out on how I can use this to do some really cool stuff with, but that is not ready yet. But yeah, it's just, for me, a nice, easy way to be able to quickly get to what I want to get to without having to stress too much about it, without having to remember either exact class names or to get to general groupings of things. Or like for example, on my, if I know I'm doing work on my courses page and it's specific stuff for my courses page, when I do that, like I have my course grid, my course card, and other things here that are related only to my courses page and not to any other page. So the advantage of doing that again is I don't have to remember that I called it course grid. I just have to remember that it's something that's specific to my course page.
Oh, look at this though. @use abstracts as all. What is this?
Or I have my article page, same idea, where I can do that. And I don't have a lot of stuff here because most of my stuff doesn't go into page specific or layout specific things, but it does make it a bit easier than having to remember very specific classes all the time. Now, as far as to how to actually organize it, let's look at how I've done it, and then I'm going to look at how I got to this point. So my abstracts, as I mentioned, are things that are not actually compiled into CSS. Everything in here is some sort of variable or mix-in. My maps here, I don't actually have any functions right now, but my mix-ins that I'm using, here I have another map for my typography, a very small map here for my breakpoints. But these are all things that don't actually turn into CSS. Then what I do is I have my base style, which are, I'm bringing in my font face, a reset, my root, which we won't worry about that right now, my typography related things that I consider very like general and global styles that affect everything. There's element selectors in there a lot of the time instead of class selectors and that type of thing. Components is my individual components. So I have my buttons, my labels, actually I'm going to rename that to tags, I think, my navigation, and different reusable things like that. Layouts is page related stuff. So my courses page, my home page. I might also have things that are going to be related to my YouTube page eventually. If you have a single page layout, it could be sections instead of layouts. If you have a multi-page one, but you have 4 pages that all use the same layout, you don't need to have one for every single layout, but just something that has my general layouts and then my utility classes that I have coming in. So I have a container class, it's on its own file. I have a flow class that I use. Actually, there's a few others. Normally I'd have my screen reader only in here as well as other ones. But again, this is a work in progress. So not all the things that I will eventually have are actually in here yet, but utility classes all get put into there. Another approach that is really popular is this. This is from SASS guidelines. I'm going to put the link to this in the description below. This is where I started, and this is what I was using for a long time. But then just as I saw the way I write my CSS or SCSS changing a little bit, as well as just the needs I had, I did diverge a little bit from this. But this is a really nice starting place. And if you're not sure, I'd really encourage checking this page out for a lot about SASS. I don't think it's been updated in a while, so there are a few things. It hasn't been updated with Dart SASS, so just be a little bit careful if you're using some of the newer SASS stuff. But the overall structure here, I think, is excellent. The base components layout, so you can see where things are coming from. Now, he did split layout and pages, and he talks about why here, so you can get more information. I found that I wasn't using one or the other enough, so I merged them together for my purposes. This can also change project to project, so just be aware of that. For example, themes, if you have a project with themes, you would include this. If you're not going to have a project with themes, you wouldn't use it at all, right? Same with, or here's my abstracts, as I have as well. And then vendors, so if you're using any third-party stuff that you're bringing in, you could argue that this is where a normalize or some sort of CSS reset could even be included here. I do mine just in my base because that's where my reset file goes. And these days I am using Andy Bell's reset. So if you do want to check that, I'll put that in the description down there as well. But yeah, I would definitely encourage you to start with a established structure. And then as you're using it more in every project you do, again, you'll see some changes, some things that are a little bit different, but this is a fantastic place to get started. Because if you're just trying to figure it out and it's not working for you, then that can be a little bit hard. Whereas if you use a system that's already been established and then you make adjustments as you keep making projects with it, it makes it so much easier. One thing with partials is they used to use the @import syntax, but that's being deprecated by SASS, and it's now moving to using @use and @forward instead. So if this video piqued your interest, you want to see how to get into using partials and more information on using forward and use, go and check out this video.
Wow. You want to show stream?
Oh yeah.
Y'all want to see this beautiful cake that my brother made? Here we go. It's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Good job. I think that could pass for like a bakery cake. Oh, Sam, can you put that on that table? No, outside. Sorry. They said they've never seen a boulder cake before.
I don't know it.
And they also said that cake has some sass.
I don't know it.
The half moon table. Sorry. What a funny cake. I hope it tastes good. Here, wait a second. I gotta text my friend. She's supposed to come get some keys. Okay. Wow. Wow. All right. That was a good part of our life, wasn't it? So this was not useful to me. I mean, I'm sure he's a great person, but looks. I have to tell him that. I'm gonna text him. Maybe I'll just screenshot what y'all are saying and send it to him so he can have it forever. Oh no, straight up, I can do that on the computer. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's send it to him. I don't know where this is gonna open up. Alright. Hold up, hold up, hold up. What a cake. Okay, now he has it forever. Lol. Okay, we're almost on our break time, so I'm gonna turn the music back on. Now it's break time. I know. Y'all, I need to go to the bathroom. What? What? Oh, I don't know. I thought he was hollering at me, but I don't think he is. Anyway, let's take a break. Do partial files start with an underscore and the content consists of mix-ins? They do start with an underscore. I don't think they have to have mix-ins. Mine don't. I'll leave it open as like an example. So it's just regular CSS in here. And then it's supposed to be imported in here that way. So, y'all, let's take a break. I need to go to the bathroom. I'm going to leave this up. Wait, no, wait. I'll leave this up and just have me just not be in the corner because obviously, like, you'll still see that I'm not there. I don't know what I'm saying. I won't go to the break screen is what I'm saying, so you can stare at this and think about it, but also get up and do stuff, so that's good. So do I have to use mix-ins? Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm back. Side note, you added some cards. Search. Ooh, how did I read cards? Search to your LinkedIn profile and they seem to be doing some work. Been reached out to by recruiters. Oh, interesting. I didn't know those did anything. Maybe I have to try them. I feel like I've tried one before and I failed and I was like, never again. So, It is, but they're saying that the at import's getting deprecated, so you should use the at use. That's why I have that. So, yeah. I ate, and I'm hungry, so I don't know what's up with that. Only one of them was burrito. Which one was it? Which ones were easy? Those are the ones I want. The Udacity Nano degree. Oh wait, I thought that you were talking about search like the LinkedIn like test your HTML skills. Huh. What is the Udacity Nano degree? Hey, Dark Synergy, what's up? Nice to see you. We should do like chair yoga sometime. My neck hurts. Probably should have better, what's it called? Better posture. Maybe you should go to sleep, Dark Synergy. Love to see you, but please take care of yourself. I'm pretty good. Pretty frustrated at SASS, but besides that, I'm pretty good. How are you? Besides being super tired. Alright, time to go. Did y'all get an ad? I think we should do an ad really quick. Even though that didn't seem to do anything before. What should we do? Should we run an ad? Was it helpful last time? Especially with that ad. That's normally you feel tired. 2 a.m. My God, please sleep. Please make sure you're getting enough sleep. That goes for all of us. All right, let's do an ad, and hopefully it won't interrupt us with an ad later, or else I'm gonna be fucking pissed, and we're never gonna pre-roll ads again. Okay? Okay. Well, now it's doing it. For all those who are subscribed, though, you don't get one, I think, right? Run an ad, but don't say anything. Just sit there. I am running an ad, actually, but I could. Hold up. Wait a second. Gotta have the headband to push the hair back. My friend came to get some stuff, and then she was gonna forget some stuff, so I had to go do that. The ad's over, I think, yeah? Grubhub with the Olympics, and now Jaden Smith with clothing. Jaden Smith did water, right? I think so. Alright, so do I have to mix in that shit for it to work? We never did figure it out, did we? I think the ad should be done now, right? Yeah. Alright, let's see it. Love the title. Here you go. Yeah, let's pause the music. Don't want double music. Run an ad, but don't say anything. Just sit there. I am running an ad, actually, but I could. That's what my sister and I do to each other. Like, we'll like, oh. Okay, sorry. Yes. No, my sister and I will like be like sitting by each other, like across the room, and she'll be like, and I'll be like, and then she'll be like, and then I'll be like, and then she'll be like, and then I'll be like, it's so funny. I have 6 siblings, DC. I have so many. Love them to death, except for one of them. Yes, I do have 6. It's typical of my culture. So my family is Mormon, and it's a big thing in Mormon culture to have big families. So my mom had 7 siblings. My dad had 5. So they kind of just averaged between the two. And I'm number 6 out of 7. So. I'm in Utah. Yep. Utah. What is DT? Maybe we should do this one. What do you think? Yep, you did. Big thing in the culture here. Now, would I ever have that many children? Hell no. Nah. I don't know how they did it. I think that's crazy. It's so crazy. Even though I'm 6 out of 7, I'm like, yo, why didn't you stop at like 5? Like 6 and 7? That is so many. Okay, wait. We're pausing the music again. We're gonna turn this up again. We're gonna watch this. Not again, but
way back in October of
it's very quiet for me. Can y'all hear it?
2016, Dart SASS was announced, and in March of 2018, Dart SASS 1.0.0 was released, which also meant that Ruby SASS was no longer being supported. I don't want to get into the reasons that they've made that change.
Better start pushing Pink with Child for 7 years of my life. That is totally what I want. I'm quitting streaming, gonna have kids. Goodbye. Although, if y'all have kids, respect to you. I'm not. No discrimination based on having kids. For me, I don't know how anyone feels mature enough to have kids. Like, I sure don't. Like, I just don't. I don't know.
I have linked to the post they put explaining the Switch in the description for those who are interested in that, though. But what this means is that SASS has continued to evolve, and a lot of people don't even know about it.
Should we watch this clip now, too? See ya. No, my sister and I will like be like sitting by each other, like across the room, and she'll be like, and I'll be like, and then she'll be like, and then I'll be like, and then she'll be like, and then I'll be like, you can hear the thump so against my cheek. Okay, sorry. Thank you for preserving that moment. I'm gonna send it to her. Be like, look, we're mortalized. I don't think I ever really winked before. Really. That was kind of weird. I feel like I do with this eye normally. Okay, all right, it's fine. Let's go.
And all of the new things that you can do with it and the new ways you're supposed to be working. Whether this is because you're using an old extension in your editor or for any other reason, I'm not too sure. But in this video, what I want to do is dive into one of the most important changes that they've made, which is
hold up, he's talking really fast. That's going to be hard to understand if you're not a native English speaker.
Away from imports and instead focusing on use and forward. Use and forward are part of their new module system. And
she just walked out. Text her. Sorry.
It's not even really that new, I guess, but it's been around for a long time. There's a lot of people who don't seem to know what's going on with it based on the recent poll that I did over on Twitter. So I really want to dive in and look at the changes that they've made to it.
Okay, but just tell me how to use it, please. Please. Wait,
all right, so here we are in VS Code. And one thing you'll notice is that I'm not going to be using the Watch SASS extension. A lot of tutorials, including some of my older ones, use that one, but it's based on the old version of SASS and it's out of date now. The use, the forward, the module system, none of this works with it. Instead, I'm going to open up my terminal and tell SASS to watch my files. I'm not going step by step on this one just because I do have another video that does take a look at that, so there should be a card popping up in the corner right now, or the link to it is in the description on how you can get started with it. And that even goes into setting it up with Parcel, which is super easy to do. And with that, you're getting automatic browser refreshes as you're making changes as well. All right, so SASS is watching for changes. We're ready to rock and roll. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna go in, let's actually have this compile some CSS for us. And let's go and open my CSS folder, but just split it off onto the side because I always like knowing things are actually working.
Okay, all right.
Right? And one of the easiest ways to do that with SASS is just to have a file here, or a variable here, and then you change a variable, and I can see that it worked. So fantastic. So the very first thing to know is for the most part, instead of using your import, you're going to be using use instead. And a very nice example of this is my font size here. We don't want this to live here because we don't want that in my main CSS file. Even I wouldn't have this here either, but that's beside the point a little bit. So I'm going to go to my fonts file and I'm going to paste it there. And I'm going to hit, I already got a compilation error, but I'm going to hit save. And if we go look here just at the basic structure that I have inside of my SCSS folder, I have an abstracts file or folder. And inside my abstracts folder, I have my colors and my fonts. So this font's SCSS file here is inside of...
So that's what I thought too. But like when I looked at the path, when I like control click, it goes to the right place. So I don't know. Like it seems like it's right, but maybe I should try rewriting the path? The path. Like, SASS partials. This always really confuses me. Yeah, right? Or I wouldn't even need to do that, right? I don't know. Confusion. Me. Yes. Something just changed here. I didn't give it permission to change.
The abstracts folder. Now, if you're used to the old import system, you would do an import. You'd come in with your abstracts / fonts. And just like that, everything.
Okay, let's try it. Let's... Watch this again. Can't remember how I did that. Here it is. Okay. Okay. I'll do the /. Stop it. Since we started doing this or what? Also, hey. Hey, Beck. Or a month since you last hung out with us. Wow. Beck, thank you for the subscription. Freaking bless. Ah, I get you. Look at you. Subscribe for 2 months. I can't believe that I've been streaming that long. Wait. December, January, February. This is my 5th month of streaming. That's weird. That's weird. Also, thank you again. I really appreciate your support. All right. Every little thing I do never seems enough for you. Wait, shouldn't this have like updated it or nah? You don't wanna lose it again. That's been stuck in my head all day. Yes, you're gonna have to. So, okay. So we have just the SASS folder, and we got partials, and we got this. Is that what you're asking for? If not, let me know. Ugh. Bad posture, Rufio. Bad posture. Bad. Wrong. The great privilege of seeing me. What if I don't even know what I was doing. Seeing me do that. I like how like the URL says clumsy, sour, camel, punch, trees. What an interesting combination. Like obviously I understand why, but that's what I have to say to that. Rude. Wait. What the hell? What are you doing? There we go. Wow. So it says that this is. Oh no, because I did the dot slash. I get it. I understand now. I understand. Understand. Wait. Have a coffee chat in 10 minutes, not looking forward to it. But coffee chats are so fun. If you just like look at it as like I'm gonna be chatting with someone, which I never do because like I don't leave my house. And just like, to be honest, with coffee chats, I always just like chatted with them. It was never about like tech. And it probably should have been, but I just wanted to know about them, you know? If you just display so much interest in them, they will love you. You got this, S6. I believe in you. I believe in you. What is happening here? What is happening here? What is happening here? Who knows? Not me. Didn't prep at all? Like, not really. Like, I think you could definitely ask them the questions, but again, like, my coffee chats were never, like, very, like, job oriented. But, like, I'd ask them, like, what was your job? Or what's your job? And, like, you know, just go off of there. I've talked about, like, travel and a bunch of other things. It's been really interesting. What I do recommend, though, is that right after you do your coffee chat, make a document with the person's name, write what you talked about so that if you ever talk in the future, you remember what you talked about, you remember the things that you learned about them, you know? People like to be remembered, you know? Yeah, I don't know what was up with that, Anma. I don't know. But this is still being fucking dumb, so that's good. Flip it off. It's okay. It's not supposed to be. It's not trying to hurt me. I just don't understand. I don't understand.
It would work fine, right? Your import and it's working and everything is good and dandy. Except import is being deprecated and it's really not encouraged to be using that anymore.
Quite.
So for the most part, as I said, 99% of the time you're going to take your import and you're actually going to switch that for a use. So I'm going to change that to say use, except while my import was actually working, we can see it compiled it right here. If I hit save now, I get an error. But Kevin, you just said that instead of using an import, you should be using a use, and why isn't it working? And this is part of the new module system, which is use and forward are a part of. And what happens is when we use something, it's being namespaced. So that means it's actually taking the variables that I have in there and it's namespacing them. So my font size here is inside of this fonts. So at the beginning here, I'm going to write fonts.font size and hit save. And now it compiles.
What?
Just like that. And this is one of the very big changes they've made that can be a bit of a head scratcher at first when you can't figure out why something is working. So everything becomes namespaced. And the reason for this is it prevents collisions between different variables. If you have different variables with the same name, it used to be that you could easily overwrite one by accident. You can't do that anymore. If you now could use the same variable name in 6 different files, import them all or use them all, and they would all still work on their own. So they wouldn't clash anymore and they wouldn't be overwriting one another. So that is why they've added this. So that is why that works like that. And just to look at that again, I do have some colors. So we can do an @use, say abstracts, colors. And you don't actually have to write out the whole thing with the namespacing, but we're going to see the solution to that in a second. So here, color, and that would be my colors dot, and then I have a red in there, so I can hit save, and you can see that red has come in. Because if we go and look in colors, red is red, blue is blue, nothing too fancy, just like that. So everything is compiling, everything is working perfectly.
I'm not doing that. So it seems like to me, what is happening here is they are bringing in like the file, and then they are using it, like using some variable or something from that file in the style.css. Does that seem like I'm understanding it right? Because that is not what I'm doing. And maybe that's why this isn't working. Let me know. Because I just thought that I could do, like, if I did this, parcels.nav and parcels.nav, all of this code would just go whoop into this page, and it would just be in this page. But maybe I'm not actually using it, and so it isn't importing anything. But then how the hell am I supposed to have? As what? So the idea of why I structured stuff the way I did was so I wouldn't have to have a giant file, like a giant style.css, where all of like this would be in this file, so that this would just be like, that's it, and all that extra code was imported by these partials. But it's not. Does anyone know how to do what I'm like trying to do with SASS? Bruh, should I have started using SASS? Probably not. Probably not. It's just a bit confusing. Ow. You see me holding my headphones on my head? Because that's what that was. Okay. I just don't know. Clearly what I'm doing is not working. Code Academy seems like a good place to check this for. Yes, thank you, but no. Probably should turn on the music, right? feel like I've been squinting less. What do you all think? Package groups of variables. Sassy syntax. Since all SCSS syntax is also valid in CSS, but it's not. For example, this. Alright, break time. A break time. Let's do a stretch. Also, I'm out of water, so I probably should go get some water. Yeah. Oh, we should also run ads again, so that we can get those out of the way. Yes. I'm thinking yes. I'm gonna run an ad break. I'm gonna go to not the bathroom. I'm gonna go get water. And hopefully the ad will be over by the time I'm back. But then if I leave, how will that be extra content? Should I do a what words am I saying? Should I not go get water while I'm running an ad? I also need some food in my belly. But it's weird because I just ate. It doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's run some ads. And here's your little bit of subscriber only content. I don't know what I should do. I feel like I should make it special. Maybe play peekaboo. I watched a really funny what's it called? Reel or whatever, where it was like a mom was playing peekaboo and like covers like her face, right? And the baby's like, "Oh my god, witchcraft! Where does she go?" It was funny. We love it. We love it. It was funny. All right, was that enough of special subscriber content? I made a what's it called? Bruh. Hello, it's Rufio Instagram, but I haven't posted anything there, but it's called Hello, it's Rufio. If you want to follow that. Again, there's nothing there, so. Alright, now I do need to go get water, so I'm gonna go get water, and that will be a good thing. And y'all need to stop looking at a screen, okay? For just a little bit of time. Just a baby bit. I'll be back. Remember how I said I was hungry? Well, now I'm eating candy, which definitely takes care of hunger, right? I also got water. It's too hot to have this jacket on all the way, but it's too cold not to. Alright, we got like 5 seconds, so. I'm like cold if I take this off, and I'm hot if I put it on. So it's an interesting mix. I love how there's this subscriber only content and you're clipping it so it's not. I don't really care. You do you. Oh, let's see it. It's opening in the wrong page. I mean, I just looked at this since it was me, right? Subscriber only content. I don't know what I should do. I feel like I should make it special. I'm gonna play peekaboo. It was lovely. Alright, let's run some ads. Are we all missing some crazy stuff? Whoa. It's meant to tempt people. I mean... Oh no, are you serious? Why is it doing that? Oh, it worked for me? I don't know why it's not working for you. I just want everyone to know that you are so not obligated to subscribe. I appreciate it, but like we can't all afford that. I feel that. I feel that to my bones. Don't too much wow, it's just a template. I didn't come up with it. Don't too wow. That is not correct English. It's fine. Whatever. I'll make correct English. I'll make my own. I'm eating gummy worms. Wait a second. Well, this isn't the music we wanted. How about this one? Yes, candy. I'm eating candy, which we all know is a great dinner. Follow my example. Eat candy for dinner. Yeah. What up, Araz? Long time no see. Ugh. That's what to say. Ugh. Why do I not understand this? My about photo doesn't upload. It's loading for me. I don't know why. It's my face. I don't know. Smacks your sass. What? It looks like me, yeah. I don't know how they did that. They got the robot to look just like me. And they took a picture of it. So it has this. I'm done with the room. Okay. So like our styling isn't applying, and I think it's like it's loading, like the style.css is loading, but it's not loading any of the styling. And I think it's because of this part. And I think it's because I did this part wrong. Apparently this is not how you use partials. What I was trying to do was like say, okay, in the partials /nav, this is all like the nav, what's it called? The nav code. And just bring it in, and it's just like import it in. But all this actually does is brings it in so I can use variables within it within this document. They keep telling me not to use add import though. Like it's getting deprecated or something. So that's why I didn't use that. But regardless, I'm not doing this right. Is there a way to do what I'm saying? Do you know? Like to just like import a bunch of code in and it like loads with the style.css page? Music's too loud for me. Hold up. I was supposed to message a friend back. I don't know if I did. Did I? Nope, I didn't. Okay. Yeah. So that's where we're stuck. I mean, it is getting loaded into the page. It's not, I do not have a university email. I'm learning coding, but I never learned coding in school, so like if we look at like the network, for example, and we load this again, and we also do the cache thingy that you showed me. Here it is. It's working. It's getting it. It's okay, but it's not actually loading any of the styles because I'm doing it wrong, I believe. So, this is the browser. Unless you're talking about like the hosted stuff on Heroku, which I have not updated. Oh, I get you. All right, let's do it. So we could do like, yeah, CSS, which is in public. Did I do that right? There it is. It's a little. So it's loading what I see, but it's not loading in these. So I don't know. I don't know why it's so hard. Yeah, I don't have a university email. What's JetBrains WebStorm? Yeah, but I was compiling it and it still has that. So if we turn on the thingy again, I don't know exactly what I should be doing to make it change. If I stop it, it just looks the same. Whoa. Clip talk? What is clip talk? How is that a thing? Since when? Am I just behind on the times? That's so funny. Is this how I become famous? By having clips of me on Clip Talk? Lol. That's okay. I don't want to be famous. Famous people get no privacy. Clip Talk is a Twitch clip thing that Jeff... Who's... Oh, interesting. Who's Jeff Fritz? So we just added that at us, but I'll take it off. Just to see what was up. Surely there's a faster way to do what I'm doing. Oops. Oh, fancy. Fancy Microsoft. Oh, stop. Fancy Microsoft people is what I was trying to say. Is .NET a language? It is, right? There you go. Oh. Oh my goodness. Whoops. I didn't click Alt. I clicked space. Wouldn't that just get rid of everything? Or do you do like this? Wait. How would you like get all like partials, for example? Oh, it's a framework. Manages the VS Studio and Microsoft Developer Streams. Interesting. VB.NET, C#, and F#. I have never heard of F# are languages that run on the .NET framework. Isn't like not Netflix. What's it called? Microsoft, bruh. Isn't it in C#? So if we stop it, it still looks like this. If we reload this, still the same. Y'all see my hand shaking? My hands shake when I hold heavy things. Or sometimes when I'm trying to draw or something to shake. We've talked about this before, but it's not good if you're trying to do fine details. We looked at this today. For some reason I decreed that it wasn't useful. Also, let's check this out. Unless... Oh. I do like VS Code though. I started with Atom and then I did Bracket and now I'm on VS Code and I like VS Code. You're not supposed to have to do that, but they did. Right, so we did that. But then this was what was in the video. But it was for specific variables, I feel like, or something. I don't know. It was like success, but I'll start it again. Oh, this is the wrong one. Oops. See? Success. It loves it. It's so happy. It's just fucking delighted. Okay, y'all, I need to take my headphones off for a second. My neck really hurts. We should do some chair yoga. What do y'all think? Maybe on the break, or maybe right now. What do you think? Thank you. I will use it. The arm just so sore, bro. It's like, wow, no one's done the eye drop time, but thank you. I do need to put in eye drops. Okay. Let's do it. For those of you that don't know, I got eye surgery like 2 months ago. Whoa. So, eye drops. 2 months ago. And I think I'm still squinting a little bit because I'll look back on these videos and be like, oh, look at me squinting there. But it's definitely nowhere near as bad as it was, like, even a month ago. Oh, I could see that at us. I could see that. So maybe I should do the NPM. He did say in the video that the extension wasn't updated with Dart or something, but I don't know what Dart is, so. Ooh. Thank you. My eyes got watered. Look, and I have good posture for temporarily. Alright, let's try it. This is... Now how do I use it? How do I use it? I was using the what's it called? How do I find the ones I'm using? This? Should be here. I'm using this one. Add build.sass. Okay. So I shouldn't be using it? Should I change it? Oh dear. So it's not using use. How come I never check the whatever it's called? This is interesting and not what I was looking for. This is though. I'll add them as my scripts, but what is their little, this thing supposed to be? Word. Little word. Oh, you did write that, huh? I just didn't read it well. Sorry. Thank you. So should I be using that one instead of doing what I'm doing right now? Could try it. I'll just do this really quick. Right. It definitely should. Sassy. Sassy. This one. I do see the last updated. This one says, oh wow, I really should have looked at this more closely, huh? How do I undownload this one? Oh, wait. Can I? Oh. Damn it. This doesn't compile? I don't know. I'm trying to find it. Convert SCSS to SASS. Does that make sense? Did I just download another one that I'm not gonna use? Love that for me. Love it. Indented SASS syntax highlighting autocomplete and formatter. Like you said. Stop downloading stuff, self. Indeed it is, Alvy. It's like, you trying to disable me? Look, I'm not downloading it yet, but it was updated a long time ago, so it looks like we don't need to. This one was updated a long time ago. This one was updated a long time ago. It does say deprecated, so that's, yeah. This one says a compiler, but it was updated in 2017. Are we doomed? Doomed. Doomed. Maybe we just need to use the npm package, huh? Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it. So, back to what you were saying. Oh yeah, you can go to sleep at us. No problem. Take care of yourself. So you say source slash. I don't think I have styles though, unless that's how I should do it. Or should like the path be like source slash SASS slash partials? Oh, hello. Right? That would be a right path, right? Oh, except for we didn't do the style.css. Wait, it's not a partial. Lie. Alright, this does not need to be this big. What now? Okay, we're here. Wait. In the package that... Oh. I see what you're saying. I see. Okay. Now what? Shh. But I was just helping us. Okay. That took me a little bit to think about, but there's a space within the SASS, and it would be a source, public, oops, CSS, style.css. Yeah. Uh-oh. Look at this. All right. Beautiful. So then what we would just say, like, could I just say like SCSS like that? Oh, npm run. Okay. Maybe about the path run? I swear I did. We'll do it again. I guess I did not. Oh, it's because this is here. Whoops. I thought that would let me do multiple ones at the same time. I do? Then what is it having problems with? Guess I can't find your SASS. That's weird. That's odd. So if we try it again, it's gonna be like, fuck you, I don't know what that is. Wait a second. What do you mean? Wait, Alva, you have to dumb that down for me. There we are. What am I doing? There it is. Brian Mavity. I don't know. We can. I haven't, I don't think. I think I just installed it on the project. We could. Also, hey Naughton. Is SASS an NPM package? Yes. It does appear to be. I've done it. Add some sass to that. Yes. Should I delete it? This one? But it's still not working because it says there's no such file or directory, which is dumb because that's a lie. It's a liar. It's lying to us. Lying to us. Hey, X, what's up? I don't think I do, actually. That's probably the problem. That's probably the problem. Probably. Okay. No. So maybe I just need to have just... They're good. I'm a lot less squinty, but I think I'm a little squinty still, huh? Maybe we'll do this, huh? Thanks for asking. Like this, maybe? Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Auburn. What's up? Getting the team up in here. Update input page. I probably said wrong. I think I should rename this. Yep. I'm pretty good. I've been yawning, but I'm really not very tired. Why are you tired, X? Search results. Did I screw myself over doing that anywhere else? Word page. Update input page. Search results. Nav. Input page. Home page. Home page, which... Oh, never mind. Okay. Home page. Footer. Entry added page. Contact page. About page. Okay. So it should work now in theory. Did it work? It worked. Holy, so many things open. Oh, well, I did. Okay. Oh man, Alprin, take care of yourself. I'm still working on the SASS. I was like, we're gonna get it done today. I can't believe it's taken this long. Oh, I should just say node mom, yeah. Node mom, node mom. After this works, which it did, see if the extension you had works now. Maybe the error broke it and it didn't know what to do. Wait, what do you mean? All right. Okay. So it's working. Not perfectly. Oh, is it because I'm crazy zoomed in? Okay, not bad. It's working-ish. Lives. So why would it work now though? If it was not updated forever and ever. And what was the error? Wasn't the error just not having SASS installed? I like, Alprin, I like how you say you're a little bit tired and it's 3 a.m. Oh. Well, I don't know how I would find out if it did work. No. It doesn't work. Maybe that's because it's still running? I broke it. It does not work. It does not work. Which is rude of it. So we need to do the npm run SCSS again. I think. Cannot. How do you do 2 terminals and why? Sexy. Does this look profesh or what? It totally does. Ooh. I don't know, Alprin. It wasn't even showing this until now. But I don't know why. We'll just do this. So it would be like npm run SCSS. And this one would be nodemon. All right. Let's figure out why this is not working, because it is weird, Alprin. Ooh. Color. So you can. Ooh. Wait. Oh, just the icon, huh? Not actually this part. That would have been really exciting. That's okay. We can do yellow. So I don't know why this is not working. We never took a break, by the way. Let's do that now. Let's take a break. Take a break. Take a walk. Did we want to try chair yoga? Like 5-minute chair yoga? I watched this the other day. It was great. I do? What? How? Oh, hell yeah. Let's do it. You have a specific one you want to watch? It's 18 years old. I got work. I got 4 bed rats. I got work. Bed rat. This one is saying some stuff. Here, let's watch that one. Yeah, I updated him. Do you like him? Let's do it. Let's do this one.
Hello. I got you.
I got you.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Imagine how annoying that would be. Hello?
I got you. Got you. Hello. 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 Hello.
Got to say funny stuff.
Hello. I got you. Oh yeah. I got you. I got you.
When my bird used to walk like this, oh my god, you can't even see it. I'm so sorry. Let me just do this. Now you can see it all. Sorry.
Apple.
Oh, there we go. I'm ready. Ah! Run!
Where?
Don't give yourself head damage, baby. Sounds like a toddler. So loud. Ah! Can you imagine this being in your house all the time? It's a parrot. Ah! I did. Imagine giving him a red ball instead of water. He'd be crazy to have him screaming like he's in a concert. Does he have water?
Why? Because
Impending sense of doom. That's what I think is happening here.
you don't even let me get a minute, and you interrupt me. It's rude. It's so rude.
Bruh. Man, this would drive me crazy.
Don't that foot.
You know what's happening here? This is straight up like a temper tantrum. So when I had a bird, the bird would like walk back and forth like that because he wanted attention and he was happy. But if you see at the beginning of this video, Gotcha walks back and forth and then doesn't get attention. So they start throwing a temper tantrum, which is what I think this is. And it's getting attention, you know, like they're eternal toddlers.
It hurt my ears.
Or skip a little bit. Oh, it changed. Wait a second. Where did that change? Okay, here, I guess.
Oh, hi. Right in the kitchen. Whole time. Right in the kitchen.
Like, my tantrum's over. Let's be friends.
I gotcha. I love you. I love you. I love you.
And go away.
I love you. I love you too.
He wants more attention.
I love.
Hi, bird.
I love. I love. I love. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Boo. Hi, Boo.
Hello.
Self-aware.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
I'm cute.
I got you.
Okay, I think that's enough of that video. That was a lot. We did 6 minutes of like partial screaming, so that was wow, wow, wow. I gotcha. And go away, and you bring it on, and you better drop in line. That's from another video where gotcha is a lot cuter than this, which was like ah. But like straight up, can you imagine like parents need so much attention, and your parents like wants attention, so it just like starts screaming. Did you hear the story about how like there was this Amazon, and Amazon looks like this? Not that. There you go. This type of bird, they're really good at mimicking speech. And it was in like a neighbor's basement. And the neighbors heard, "Help! Help!" or something like that, like "Get me out of here," or something like that. And they were like, "Oh my god, is someone being like freaking kidnapped in this basement?" So they called the police. The police go in. It's the bird, and the bird just wants attention. Lol. Okay. Let's get back to coding. Okay. So, it's in this again, which is weird because, like, why? Why is it we fixed it? We fixed it. So, whenever I edit it, I probably should be editing the SASS, right? We didn't start this. Pardon. It should be the home page. So, look. No, look. Literally, what the hell? Like, what? But the thing is, it's not even like this. Look, it's 12 rem. Here it's... Wait, what? No, that's because I changed it. Wait a second. There you go. Or maybe I just... It's... Hmm. Try it. Object fit cover. Thanks, Dark Synergy. Have a good night. Sleep well. Okay, that didn't do anything. Where is it getting this? It's from the About page. Alright. Oh, sorry. No? So here's the image. This is the code, and it's just grabbing all the images. So I probably... Yeah, right. So I think I have to give like one of these images like a specific like ID or something to not have this happen, yeah? Homepage, image, homepage. Oops, not this one. This one. So we could say ID equals logo, maybe. Oops, oops, oops. Did it change? I don't think it did it? Because, like, it doesn't have the... It's supposed to be running. I did that. Do I have to do it every time? Hold up. Hold up. We didn't have this problem before. Too bad there's not a nodemon sort of thing for it, so it will automatically refresh. Right? What's the watch command? Okay. Oh, it's because I did npm run CSS. There you go. Alright, well. That did do something. But I think we should... Where is it? Get rid of this one. And if we do that here, we can see... Here it is. Oh, well. It's not great. It's defined like this. As advised. All right. Where? Like SCSS like this? All right. Ooh. Ooh. How great. I'm pleased. I'm pleased by this development. So. It's great. All right. What is not great is this. Y'all are both being very helpful. Thank you. Is it looking... Oh my god. Okay. Does anyone know if you can pop this out on Firefox? Hold up. Bruh. This thing? Oh. Oh. I like that. Put it right there. We won't never know the time. So this looks really bad. I think I'm figuring out what's happening. Since I put everything into one and didn't give it IDs and stuff, now I got a bunch of cross styling. So this looks like the styling that's on my like forms. And yeah. It's not good. Right, I forgot we're looking at this. So this is taking it from the about page again. Fucking about page. Okay. What are you saying my code isn't? Oh my god, that's amazing! I'm pleased by this development. Now I have to change it back to what it was before. It was like this. What do you mean, Enma? Like, I've never built a SASS before? I've been working with it for a little bit, but not successfully, as you can see. So we're getting this from the update input page. Update input, update in up. I don't know. It's this flex container from the update input page, which I gotta find. I just gotta. It's fucking everything up, so that's good. I bet you're right. Hello? There it is. Look at me. This is before I had y'all guiding me. Okay, wait a second. Let's go to this page. Wrong. Okay. Oops. I know, I know. I feel the shame, believe me. Hello? Well, this looks great. But we want to have it be different, right? With... Wait, this isn't the -1. Oh, that's for the form? What are you grabbing? What is it grabbing? This is so fucking small. Just get rid of it. See what that happens. What? See what happens. See what that happens. Yep. I'm trying to. I'm trying to. Oh, there it is. Yes. Now, if only it would... Alright, well. There's that, I guess, right? not doing anything. But plus and minuses. Oh, you can't even see it, bruh. Bruh. Wait a second. Let's see if we can fit some stuff with the new Windows 11 fit stuff. Like none of these are good, honestly. Well, I guess we'll just have to have this suck. Or have it go out of the page. Wrong. But it still warps my it still warps it. Like if I pin it to the bottom, see how it changed it? I don't want it to change it. But you can see it do it. Look. It changed. I just don't have enough screen. What do you mean? Oh. 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 Right. The problem with this being so big is you can't see anything. If it's small, you can't see anything. If it's big, you can't see anything. I forget. Did we like Rem or M? What did it look like before? Ah. This is probably gonna be really big, yeah? Woohoo, baby. You know, I might just get rid of this because it's getting the exact same thing from this other page. We'll still have to fix it in the other page, obviously, but it's for the form. What do you mean, Alprin? I'm gonna say bye, Felicia. Yeah, so now it's using the input page. And you know, same thing. Same. Hold up. What if we do this? Okay, well, we don't need this apparently at all. Or do we? This is usually the part where I wrap everything in unnecessary divs with a painfully under-considered class naming scheme. It rarely works, but I pretend it does. I feel that sick. Okay. I'm gonna delete this. We don't need it in our lives. And then I gotta delete it out of here. It was called update input page, I think. Oops. So yeah, yep, Here we are. Welcome. It's Araz's favorite. -1 VH. But remember how we like just got rid of that and it didn't do anything, right? Yep. How silly. So you need to go through your styling and delete duplicate classes and stylings. This project's come a long way, honestly. Like, it's the most clean way, but not a good way? Or are we divided on this issue? Beautiful. Lol. Oh baby. All right. It's not really centered. Hold up. You know what we could do? We could do a poll. I never did a poll before. What should it be? What if we did that? First time viewer here. Love the vibe. Have fun and have a nice time. Thanks, Rage. Thanks for hanging out. Come back next time. Alright, y'all. Answer our cool poll. I've never done a poll. That's very exciting to me. I'll be live for sure next Monday. Alright. The poll is over. And let's look. Classes and IDs. Alright. 67%. That was fun. We should do that more often. Alright. The eyes have it. Classes and IDs. Let's go. Alright. Look. Contact page. SCSS 66. You are being a little bitch. So we're gonna do this for temporarily. We're gonna need to class this. Wait. I can't remember how to do this thing that I was doing. There was like a to-do tree. How do I do it again? By saying to do. Okay. So should I do classes or IDs? Which one is? I feel like doing an ID is like, because it's just like high specificity. But is it that way, or is it just me? Did y'all just get an ad? In the last 10 minutes? Well, hello, sexy. Oh, I get you. Smart. Smart. I'm liking it. Okay. Learning. Knowledge. SASS. I'm a little bitter with SASS because I feel like it's been a lot harder than I thought it would be. I'm gonna be doing a lot of sum class, sum tag styling. Alright. Oh, with the carrot. Okay. We gotta containerize this. Let's go containerize this. So it would just be like this whole form. Hey, shh, be quiet. I'm busy. So I kind of have a container. That's what the form was doing. But it's already been 1 week at us. So maybe I should just rename this. Like the contact. Apparently I have this somewhere else. So that's good. I don't know where this one is. Oh, it's literally right here. Okay. So what if we say contact container? Weird? Yes? Nah? Should I do a direct child relationship? So then this one would be like contact container, right? Let's go to the input page. Good night, Edas. Thanks for all your help. Sleep well. Section class body. Girl, look at that body. It works out. Maybe. It doesn't actually work out for me. It's okay. I don't think I understand all the way, Zach. Then you're grabbing one thing at a time, right? Bruh. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. Let's go raid someone. Does anyone have suggestions as to who they want to raid? Go support some other people in tech, in software and game development. You sure lose track of time when you're having fun. Alright, thanks for all your help, I'll put in. Let's do... Hey, Zeg, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Found us. Bruh. There's so much happening here. We could raid Splashly. My bootcamp raided them. But then, like, they do have a lot of viewers. Let's do it. Let's raid Splashly. Alright, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate all y'all. Let's do it again next Tuesday. We got this. We got SASS. We got it. I believe in this. I believe in us. In us. Alright, let's go.